haya adhima kuu, nimwalike gavana wa kaunti ya Embu, Mheshimiwa Cecily Mbarire, akukaribishe rasmi. Tumkaribishe gavana Cecily Mbarire kwa makofi ili aje amkaribishe rais rasmi. Na pale pia tuwaruhusu wananchi waweze kuingia katika uwanja ili waweze kuhudhuria tukiwa pamoja. Asante.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency Mama Rachel Ruto, the visiting Head of State, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Comoros and your spouse, former President of Niger and his spouse, Your Excellency the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, Your Excellency Pastor Dorcas Gachagua, Your Excellency Prime Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, Mrs. Tessie Musalia Mudavadi, Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Justin Bidan Muturi, the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya, Lady Justice Martha Koome, Speaker of the National Assembly, Honorable Moses Wetangula, Speaker of the Senate, Honorable Amason Kingi, Chief of Defense Forces, General Francis Ogola, Service Commander here present, the Inspector General of Police, members of the Diplomatic Corps here present, Cabinet Secretaries here present, Chair of the Council of Governors, Her Excellency Madam Anne Waigoro, colleague governors, Honorable His Excellency Muthomi Joke and Her Excellency Kawera Mwangaza, Deputy Governor of Embu County, Honorable Kenywa Mugo, and all other Deputy Governors here present, Principal Secretaries, Honorable Members of Parliament led by the Members of Parliament from right here, Embu County, Chairman and Chief Executive Officers of State Corporations, Honorable Members of the County Assembly of Embu led by the Speaker, Honorable Viriko, and the Majority Leader, dignitaries, all visitors, clergy, the great people of Embu, fellow Kenyans, and Embu Moyaro. God is good, and all the time. Asante sana, Your Excellency, we are very happy as the people of Embu. In fact, to be honest with you, this is the happiest day to the people of Embu County for this great honor that we have received as the people of Embu County. Your Excellency, I'm a very, very, very happy leader today, because since I was born, I have never seen such a great event happen right here in my motherland, Embu County. I'm very happy, Your Excellency, for the honor of picking Embu County to host the 2023 Madaraka Day, and we feel greatly honored. Today's national celebrations, Your Excellency, are a culmination of highly successful pre-Madaraka Expo themed cooperatives and MSMEs, trade and revenue, which you personally opened. This expo attracted over 300 exhibitors, mainly from MSMEs and the cooperative movement, and the true expression of the hustler spirit that has become the running thread for the government of Kenya Kwanza. Your Excellency, the expo was thoughtfully organized around key themes, mainly housing, ICT and revenue, devolution and agriculture, MSMEs, cooperatives and trade. I am delighted to note that you have led from the front in driving these crucial areas. By one, Your Excellency, on housing, you laid the foundation stone of the first phase of Manyata housing scheme, comprising of 100 of the planned 400 units right here in Embu County. We appreciate you, sir, for giving us that opportunity and for planning to do 5,000 houses right here in Embu County. Your Excellency, on ICT and revenue, after you led by filing your annual income tax returns, you launched the SME Tax Service Desk, and critically for Embu County, you provided free Wi-Fi at the Embu Market and our bus park. This singular service will close a market information asymmetry gap, which is exploited by brokers and cartels at the expense of the farmer. We appreciate that, sir. Further, Your Excellency, through the Cabinet Secretary for ICT and Digital Economy, yesterday we launched 2 digital laboratories in Ronyenje's Technical Institute and Vocational College and Jeremiah Nyaga Technical Institute under the Jitume program. Under that program, Your Excellency, many young people from the county are going to get the exposure of online jobs that we so badly need as a county. Your Excellency, on behalf of the people of Embu, I wish to request you to consider our topmost technical institute, the Jeremiah Nyaga Technical Institute, which is one of the best technical institutes in the country, that you consider it for upgrade to a full national polytechnic. On devolution, Your Excellency, we appreciate the work that has been going on, and we are happy that we managed to get fertilizer coming our way. Sorry about that. We appreciate the work that is happening between the national government and the county government. We got fertilizer beginning of this rainy season, and we are glad that we've been able to plant our crops, Your Excellency, and we will be having a bounty harvest because the rains have been very kind to us, Your Excellency. We look forward to working closely with your government in ensuring that agriculture empowers the farmers in this county, and that we improve on the prices of our major crops, namely coffee, tea, dairy, macadamia, honey, and many other value chains within Embu County, and we look forward to working with you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, today as we gather in the spirit of unity, I stand before you to express profound gratitude on behalf of the people of Embu County for your esteemed government that has been extremely valuable in supporting a lot of development projects in this county. Sir, through the Ministry of Medical Services, we've been able to do renovation of our maternity, post and antenatal wards, pediatric unit, and our newborn unit at the Embu Level 5 Hospital, an initiative that you inaugurated only last week. We appreciate the work that you've done for us, sir. On the area of infrastructure, Your Excellency, we've been able to get the magnificent stadium that we are in today that has been built in a record 15 weeks, Your Excellency. We are excited and happy about this opportunity, and we look forward to the new Jokere International Stadium that I know is in the pipeline, Your Excellency. Further, Your Excellency, we are grateful for the new Embu Modern Market, which you also launched last Friday, that is scheduled to host over 3,000 stalls, cold rooms, and daycare for the mothers who have young children and need to earn a living. While appreciating this modern market, sir, whose construction has just begun, we wish to request for consideration in construction of Ishiara Market, Chicago Market, Ronyenjes Market, Makutano Market right here in Embu County. We also appreciate, Your Excellency, the remarkable upgrade of the Regional Commissioner's residence right here in Embu County that you have seen is now in very good state. And our request today, sir, is you consider elevating our Regional Commissioner's residence into a full Embu State Lodge, Your Excellency. Sir, if you agree that to this, we the people of Embu promise to take good care of you when you're here. We will give you our uji made out of sorghum and millet, mwere na mugembe, from Mbarire. We promise you some lovely guashes and doma from Runyenjes and Manyata constituencies, and a full flask of Embu world-class leading tea coming from Kadangarire, Rokorire, and Mongania tea factories. And on top of that, you have the choice to take the best coffee in the world that comes right here, Embu County. At lunch, Your Excellency, we promise that you can have some lovely goat ribs coming from a Shiara market near the Attorney General's home. Once you taste those ribs, you will love to keep staying right here in Embu County. Sir, we look forward to working closely with you in ensuring that we improve on our industrialization and cottage industries. And to that end, Your Excellency, we are glad that we are now partnering with your national government in setting up the County Aggregation and Industrial Park right here in Embu County at Mashanga in Mbarire South. So we have the land right ready. We have 250 million as the county government, and we know your government is also bringing in another 250 million that will work towards ensuring that our value chains have an opportunity for value addition and better markets so that we can add money into the pocket of our people. Your Excellency, we are happy that we continue to work closely with you, and we are also very, very happy that your government, through the Ministry of Cooperatives and new KCC, have the plan of upgrading Runyenjes KCC cooling plant into a fully operational producing factory for milk right from here in Embu County, so that we don't have to sell our milk raw. Your Excellency, as I conclude, allow me to mention a few of the major roads that we really hope your government is going to support. And because we've started well with you, we are very sure that you'll surely give us a good opportunity for more infrastructural development. To this end, Your Excellency, we are requesting that the ring road that was meant for Embu County may be completed by ensuring that the section between Mashanga and PI is completed. We are also requesting that Kararetire, Kadagere, Kegumo, Kanyombora Road be upgraded to bitumen standard. Gekuyare, Kerie, Eshiara Road be upgraded to bitumen standard. Kevote, Kebwe, Kebemo, Ena Road be upgraded to bitumen standard. Keretire, Kiambere Road that you are very aware of, Your Excellency, we are also requesting that you consider that. Kepogo, Dondore, Kadangarire, Mukore, Kadande, Kamugere, among others that are very key for this county. And we are going to work closely with you, Your Excellency, to make sure that you are able to deliver those roads to us. Sir, allow me to also say we very much appreciate your efforts towards ensuring that we have enough water for domestic and irrigation. And to that end, Your Excellency, we are happy that your government has taken up our 3 mega dams, namely Doshi, Dambana, and Kamomo dams. I'm happy to report to you, Your Excellency, that Doshi has been advertised. Kamomo is at very advanced stage, and you are aware of it, sir, and we are looking forward to having Dambana in the next round of dams that will be advertised, sir. Your Excellency, I want to thank you most sincerely, because for the first time, as the people of Embu County, we've seen you really recognize the leadership of Embu County. I want to appreciate that you have given me a chance to chair and become the chairman or the chairperson of the ruling party, UDA, and we feel very much honored as the people of Embu County and as the women of this country. Thank you, sir. Sir, thank you for giving us Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya who comes right here in Embu County. We appreciate the Embu County's contributions to the many judges that are here in this country. We appreciate the ambassadors from Embu County. We appreciate the Principal Secretary and Cabinet Administrative Secretary who you have picked right here in Embu, and the many chairmen and directors from the various state corporations who come from here in Embu County. Sir, to be honest with you, the people of Embu have never felt a government like they have felt yours, and we forever remain grateful. May I add, Your Excellency, by saying that we, the people of Embu, will continue to support you. We are fully behind your government and the plan that you have for this country, the bottom-up economic transformation. We believe in you. We believe in the plan that you have for us, and we have seen it start to work right here in Embu County. Watu wa Embu mumeshukuru. Mumeshukuru. Tafadhali pigieni Mheshimiwa Rais makofi ya kumkaribisha hapa Embu County. Thank you, sir. May God bless you and God bless the great Republic of Kenya. Asanteni sana. Thank you.
Hebu tumpongeze tena Gavana Cecily Mbarire. Thank you very much. Your Excellency.